Alright guys, nice R35 GTR here, owned by my buddy Mike, 2020 track edition. We ordered some kick-ass Advan GT wheels, waiting for those to come in. They're going to take a couple of weeks, but in the meantime, today we just did some interior glow for him. So we got some blue lighting LED down by the feet area of the passenger and driver. So it looks pretty chill, very tuner style, works well. He's got it hooked up to the parking light, so anytime he clicks a little parking light, he's going to have that interior glow at night. It's going to be really nice. But I can't wait to see the wheels for this thing. It's going to be awesome. See, clean little underglow, super easy. Something that can be done to pretty much any and every car. Nice little switch of the OEM parking light activates them, and you get a nice little glow when you're cruising around, so good look. You like it, Mikey?
Fire.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
It's Mikey. He likes it. It might be old school reference.
Fast and
That's
Furious
life.
shit. Fast and Furious shit. Come on now.
Life cereal. Yo, peace, Mitch.
Yo, thanks, bro.
Most of the time, when you're plus sizing wheels and tires and lifting your suspension a little bit, you get a lot of travel vertically, but sometimes in the trucks laterally or horizontally, you don't get that much distance, right? So, Brian, spin it around for me, bro. So you can see back here we have a little contact. Alright. Alright, go back the other way. Notice. The other way, call. Edit that one out. Keep going. And then you see right here, we have a little touching. So we're gonna do a little trimming and we're gonna make this work. Pretty nice wheel though.
I like it.
It's pretty cool. So this one's a Ford F150. We did just a leveling kit to bring the nose up so it can clear a 33-inch tire. We're running a set of Fuel 20x10s called the Fuel Covert, I believe, in a candy red. So it looks pretty cool, nice and clean, and we're rocking a Nitto Exo Grappler. So we got a little rubbing going on. We're gonna have to make a little adjustment, do a little trimming, and fix that up for the customer. But he'll be here to the end of the day to pick that up, so sounds good. We also did exhaust system. This truck comes with a 5.0 Coyote motor, just like a Mustang, so when you turn it on, it sounds just like a Mustang, sounds super strong. I love a V8 in my pickup truck. I think it's the best way to go. This does come with other motor options, but we're happy that this guy got the V8, so it sounds great. All right, we rub it. It's never easy. It never goes 100%. But that's actually life, right? Nothing ever goes 100%.
Nothing's ever really a bolt-on.
Yeah, you know what it is, like, it'll work with a 33, but probably a 33-inch tire, maybe on like a factory wheel, something a little thinner, higher offset. So now we're going a little more aggressive, so we just got to make it work. So.
On that. We don't got to cut the bolts in half. But the other side we got to do that. And this one just got to cut in half right here, and then remove the bolts and pull it. Shut up. And we got to pull it back and do it. He's always bothering me, but I'm tired of it. You know, I'm trying to work here.
Tell you about it real quick. Alright, so we're working on this Wrangler today. We're doing some metal flares, metal front bumper. But the highlight of this Wrangler is the supercharger. Check it out. Kind of a sleeper Wrangler. You would think it's just maybe a normal orange Wrangler on the road, but pretty cool, right? So we did the supercharger probably about a year ago. Might have 10, 12,000 miles under his belt, everything running well. This charger will make about another 170 wheel horsepower. So technically, according to the company, this should make maybe about 300, maybe a little over 300 wheel horsepower, which is pretty good, you know? It's not a race car, but it definitely pulls its own weight now. So Sprint-X supercharger, great way to go for your Wrangler. There's a 3.6 liter motor, so this will work for even the 6-cylinder Chargers, 6-cylinder Challenger, and even maybe the Grand Cherokee. All right, Jeep Wrangler JLU, getting ready for pickup for my customer. So, yeah, recapping on this F150, Fuel Covert 20x12s, Nitto Exo Grapplers, Corsa exhaust, AFE intake, Sprint booster, and I think that's it for now. Oh, and like bed cover and all that good stuff like every pickup truck has. Yo, Brian, give me a little exhaust sound, bro. Give me a little exhaust sound. Sweet. Coyote motor.
Somebody put a Mustang in that thing?
Yeah. Another successful send-off for our wonderful clients. You're gonna be fine. All right, let's check it out, Vlad. We have your Rockstar 18-inch wheels. As you can see, 35-inch tire. We went with the BF Goodrich KO2. This tire carrier, remember, has two pieces. One is the support for the door, so that it holds the weight. The other is a tire mount. So in here, we are actually able to position the tire higher to clear your bumper. It also has a mount for the third brake light, because you need that, and also your camper. So you're looking good. If you move it around to here, we have your suspension. So we have your Mopar suspension with Fox shocks. This is stuff all from the dealer. You can see the Jeep insignia right here. So if you ever have service at the dealer, everything's going to be totally fine. If you want us to service it too, we're always here to help you.
You installed the spacer, right?
The wheel spacers are on. If you notice, the wheel is farther out than you wanted it this way.
How much is it?
This is about maybe 1 3/4 inches. That's the spacer I have on here. So when you take it back to Europe, take the spacers off, put the wheel back, and it'll sit more inside for you. And you should be good. All right, brother? Check it out. You got your nice steps here. Hopefully they don't fall when I stand on them. No, you're okay. All right. Check it out. We'll bring it around right here. You have your beautiful front bumper. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you how to work this winch. Let's check it out. Thank you, Trix. Vlad, I have another piece to hold this, so I'm going to get it for you, okay? In 500 miles, you got to come back to me, because I have to check everything for tightness.
Okay, 500.
500 miles, come back, call me. It's no charge. We just want to make sure everything's tight and everything's safe. So the way this works, Vlad, is you're going to take your controller and you're going to plug it right into this port, okay? This has two settings. There's an engage and disengage. So basically there's a neutral and a lock. So disengage, if you turn it this way, it's neutral. So you can now pull this out. You can do whatever you want with it, right? You could attach it to your neighbor's car. Then take this, and then we twist it back in. Hold on, give me a little. There we go. So if you ever get stuck like that, just pull on here a little bit, and you'll be able to engage it. Now it's engaged. So whatever input you give here, it's going to mimic it. So if you reel it in, and you're good to go. All right, brother? So she's rocking. Now, if you winch anything, if you're going to pull anything, try not to stand next to it. Stand away from it, all right, for safety. All right, if you want, you can sit inside the truck and winch it. If you sit inside the truck and you winch somebody, try to take your hood and open it, because it acts as a shield. If anything snaps and comes back, it'll protect you from going through the windshield. All right, dude? Now, you don't have a cable, you have a synthetic rope, so it's a lot safer. But just to let you know, the right thing to do is just protect yourself when you're winching. All right, man? Very important. But yeah, your truck is kick-ass, man. Definitely. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching another episode of The Daily Grind here at the Custom Shop. Hope you enjoyed today's... Suck my ass. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching another episode of my nuts. Okay. All right, here we go. Here we go. Here we go, thanks. All right, guys, that wraps up another episode here at the shop. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of The Daily Grind. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, turn on those notifications, drop a comment below. We really appreciate it. See you next week. Peace.